Hi guys, hello friends, and hello India. This is Samir from Dempe College of Arts and Science, Miramar, your friend and your host for the day. Let's discuss about the new education policy, a policy which will change thousands of lives, a policy which is aimed to change India, a policy which claims that till 2025 will have 50% of youth well equipped with vocational practice, vocational training, a policy which will include 6% spending from our GDP, a policy which will collapse 10 plus 2 system and introduce a new system of education in our country, that is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Rightly said by a philosopher that education is answer to many questions. Education is a weapon from which we can eradicate thousands of problems. A very famous poet says कि विद्या ही वो धन है, विद्या ही वो सागर है जो अज्ञान के असागर को ले डूब सकता है। ज्ञान ही वो दीपक है जो अज्ञान का अंधकार दूर कर सकता है. So let's discuss about the new education policy of 2020 step by step. According to this policy, it will, if it is possible, till 5th standard all the education will be given in mother tongue, and it is said that 2 lakh suggestions were taken from 2.5 gram sabhas, 600 panchayat, 676 districts and 600 and more than 600 ULBs. The new education system consists of a structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, in which 5 it is called as primary stage, in which education will start from 3 to 6. In the present education system in which you and me have studied, it starts from 6 years onwards, but according to new education policy, it will start from 3 years. Like we have this system of Anganwadi and Balwadis, it will be included into government school, and education will start from the beginning, from where we can learn, that is from 3 years to 6 years. And after that, from 6 years to 8 years, it will be first to second standard. And this first to second standard, there will be no much stress given on examination, but stress will be given on learning ethics, morals, values, and connect with nature, which are very essential for a development of an ideal citizen, an ideal human being. After that, from 8 to 11, it will be class 3 to 5, in which you will be given a chance to explore your curiosities and your interests. After that, 11 to 14, it is 6 to 10, where you will be given a chance to explore yourself in terms of vocational training. In your 6th standard, according to new policy, you will have 10 days bagless period, where you will have a chance to experience that vocational training, and you will have a chance to get a vocational internship. And then it will be then the third stage will be 10, then the next stage will be 9 to 12. 9 to 12, this is a very crucial time. Now there is a big dependence on board exams, but according to new education policies, the dependence of board exam will be eradicated very much with replacing it with new system. You will have a chance to select what will be the level of your papers, what you are going to write. For example, if I am not good in maths, I'll get a chance to select a paper of basics in maths. And if you are very good in maths, you can select a paper of higher standard. But in your mark sheet, you will be shown perfect. All marks will be included and you will get assessing. According to new education policy, you will have a mark sheet in which you are going to assess your own self. Basically, that it is a part of critical thinking. When we are in school, colleges, in our homes, our parents, our teachers, our elders are there to guide. But when we go further in life, this critical thinking and assessing our own self is very much important. New education policy provides a scope for your peers, your teachers to assess you, and even your own self to assess your own self and find where you are lacking and what is your strong points. Then One of the most interesting things of this is that by 2030 the government claims that there will be a by 2030 BA will be the minimum degree which will be required to become a teacher. And till now we have received only the draft of the policy, and how it's going to be implemented is still remaining. It's a very big policy and it will take many years. Basically, I'm feeling jealous today that I will not be able to part of this policy because I'll be completing my education. But this is a policy which was needed for our country and its development, because we were waiting. And this policy will also introduce to multi-entry exit program. For example, as an art student, even I have interest in biology, but I'll be not be able to learn biology because it's science stream. Now this education policy will eradicate that division of science, arts and commerce. Students can learn those subjects in which they are interested, and it also introduces us to credit. If for example you are a science student and you have studied SY for BSc for 1 year, and you thought like I'm not interested more in BSc, you can go to BA with that same credit. Isn't it interesting? Now, in BA system also, if you complete 1 year of your education, you'll get a certificate, 2 years diploma, 3 years bachelor's, the honor bachelor's, and fourth year you'll get a research degree. If you have done 4 years in research, you'll get 1 year of MA. If you have done 3 years in BA or BSc, you'll get 2 years of MSc. So in a way, this policy eradicates and destroys all the criticism. Though it has some criticism saying that there is a huge emphasis on language, but I'll say, things are yet to be cleared. The policy, how it's going to be implemented, it's still in a hold. So let's see. But in a way, this is a step we are stepping into the bright future for our country and creating a standard of education in our country. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, stay home, stay safe, stay happy.